So didn't manage to get the car down to Steve Walford over the weekend because of the rain on Saturday, and then busy family stuff on Sunday. Typically it's a really nice sunny night tonight. It's Monday, and I haven't got time to get over there, so I'm going to be dropping the car down to him at some point over the next week, and then going down to work on it next Saturday. And that way then, at least, even if it's raining on Saturday, once the wheel alignment's sorted, I'll be alright driving it back. I'm out in the garage tonight to make the wife happy. So I've got this lovely wooden splitter that looks like this, and in her words, I need to paint it before the Wales trip because it looks shit. Obviously she's not completely wrong there. Just want to get that painted tonight. I don't know what she expects the car to look like when we go to Wales, because the rest of it ain't getting painted before then. So the paint of choice for this is Bitumen's bitumen paint. It's black, it's waterproof stuff, and yeah, it's what I'm going to use.
A few moments later.
And there we go, very quick and dirty coat of bitumen on there. So yeah, it's not perfect, it's not meant to be. This splitter is going to get replaced at some point with something far more suitable than the bit of plywood that it's made from, but it's going to do to get us around Wales. So that wooden splitter, that was always meant to be just sort of almost proof of concept that it was going to work, it was going to look right and all the rest of it. As the project was meant to finish like 6 months ago, the idea is now just use it over winter as I'm finishing off other stuff, and that'll be one of them. You know, make it out of something that's more suitable, prettier, etc, etc. So that's another job ticked off the list. Car's still going to look ropey as hell when it goes to Wales, but my cars always look ropey as hell, so it really doesn't matter. As for what's left to do now before the Wales road trip, so obviously you need to get over to Steve Walford's, and that's getting new seats fitted and doing the wheel alignment. Need to finish the boot cover build, that's waiting on a couple of parts that are going to turn up this week. Got a ground wire which needs a better attachment, so waiting on again some bits to turn up this week. Needed an oil change, and I think that's it. So really not a lot left to do, and plenty of time thankfully to get it all done before the Wales trip. So I'm really excited to get this all properly driving nicely again with the wheel alignment, and get it out to North Wales and see what it can do. So it's now Friday afternoon and it is really hot out here, but I'm cracking on with the boot cover and making some good progress. So this is how it's all looking. It's got the weights on it at the moment because stuff I've just stuck the various panels down with is drying. And I've got my little latch there to keep it secure. So the skid risk sign, that will be going on once everything's dry, but it's looking good. I'm really happy with it. Okay, so that's it for this video. Just a quick update on a couple of bits I've got done during the week this week. So I'm off to Steve Walford's tomorrow, so getting the new seats in, getting the oil change done, get the wheel alignment done, and I was already thinking about getting one, but following all your comments on the last video on the various forums and on YouTube itself, got a bigger steering wheel that's going to go on and the new seats go in as well. So as always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to hit the subscribe button for notifications on when the next video is coming out.
I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite, babe. I can hear your laughter coming waves across the shore. Oh, maybe you could fly my kite, babe. Maybe you could fly my kite.